Welcome to Telewith. This is Nasser, and today's video I'm gonna share all the detail about the security certificates and licensing in UAE. Without wasting the time, let's start with NSI, National Security Institute, which is the oldest and the most authentic security training institute in Abu Dhabi and the Northern Emirates. Northern Emirates means all the state except Dubai. Before jumping to the detail, I would like to clarify that TSTI, the Tweed Security Training Institute, which is the newly developed organizations, offer the same courses having almost the same fee structure. First of all, let's know about the location of these institutes in Abu Dhabi. NSI is located in China Camp, just near to the Raha village. TSTI is located in Mafraq Industrial Area, just near to SGME Camp. Now let's talk about the courses offered by the NSI. So first of all, we will mention the three courses which is very fundamental courses offered by the NSI, and basically in a security, and especially in Abu Dhabi and the Northern Emirates, there are three main positions in security field. The first one is for the guard, and NSI is giving the training and the courses which is called the basic security guard course, and the second one is security supervisor course, and the third one is security manager course. There are many other courses like cash in transit course, X-ray screening course, hospital security course, special event security course, bank security course, security operation level 3, and museum and the cultural center security courses. So these all courses has their renewal courses as well. And what are the difference in a basic and the renewal, I will explain it later. Before go to the further detail, I would like to tell you that anyone can do these courses, either he has employee or residential visa or visit visa, but it is not very beneficial for those who want to do these courses by own, because whenever you are joining the security company, that company will arrange the required courses for you. But if someone just want to upgrade his profile or intended to get the wide knowledge about the security, he can do these courses. Now we will see that eligibility for these courses means who can enroll and who is eligible to enroll in these courses. The first of all, the person who has the high school degree. This is the minimum educational requirement. The high school degree, which is also called the FA, FSC, +2 or any equivalent diploma. The second thing, he should have the security experience in the same field in security or in police from UAE or from his country. He should have the at least 2 years experience letter with him. Third one is that he should be fluent in Arabic and English, and if he is not able to speak the both languages, at least he should be fluent in English. The fourth requirement is that his age should be between the 21st to 55 years, and after 55 years he cannot enroll in a security courses. The fifth one is that his height must be 160 for the man, 160 centimeter for the man, which is also in feet, if we will say that 5.2 feet, and for the female it should be 150 centimeter minimum. 150 centimeter is equal to 4.9 feet. He should be physically and mentally fit. And the seventh requirement from the NSI is he must has this his education certificate attested from the UAE. Now, what are the documents he should have with him whenever he is going to enroll for these courses? The first of all, he should have the Emirates ID or he should have the passport. A lot of the people, they are asking questions that the people who are in visit visa in the UAE, are they eligible to go or they can apply for these courses? Yes, they can apply for these courses, and they should have their passport as well as their visa copy with them. Then they are able to enroll in these courses. The second thing, they have to fill the registration form, which is available in their website, as well as they can get it from the institute. The third one is that they should have the passport size picture. I think one picture is very enough. Even if they have in a soft copy, that is also okay for them. The fourth one is the medical certificate. Medical certificate is there is a specific medical certificate for the NSI. There are a lot of the hospitals, they are doing this NSI medical, and they are providing this medical fitness certificate. For example, if I will talk about Abu Dhabi, there are two main hospitals who are providing these certificates. One is Meteor and in a main city, and another one is NMC, which is near the China camp. The validity of the courses are 2 years, and you will get the certificate after completion of these courses on the next working day. And and your validity will start from that day. And many people, they're asking that if they already have this NSI license and when they will join the new company. So this NSI course will be valid for the new company. Yes, it will be valid for the new company, but usually whenever you are joining the new company, they are giving you the chance, they are sending you to the NSI from their side. So that's why usually who has intention to just join the security, I don't believe that he should go by his own to do these courses. But of course, if many people, there are a lot of the people who just want to upgrade his profile or they want to get the security knowledge, so I think these courses are for them without the company if they want to go to enroll these courses. You can find all the information about the course content of all the courses, but I will just brief here shortly about the basic security course content. In that course, there are a lot of the topics and the modules are included. For example, patrolling, the observation and the note taking, traffic management, vehicle searching, person searching, access control, conflict management, critical incident response, cash in transit, bank security, hospital security. By the way, all these topics are also included in the basic course, but also there are the separate courses which is giving the deep information and the knowledge about these sections. For example, cash in transit and the bank security. But whenever you are doing the basic security course, some modules are included there which is giving the general information about these things, as well as the special event security, the port, airport and the border security, critical infrastructures, the museum security, first aid, fire and safety, health and safety on the work site, security rules and responsibilities, control room operations, etc. Many people are asking about the security manager course, that this is for everyone, for all the nationals, or this is specific for the UAE national. Right now this is only for the UAE national, but if somebody want to do these courses, his company should write the letter to the NSI to enroll him in that course, then they can accept this one. But usually this is done by the UAE nationals, because from the ASSD this is rule that every company should have the UAE national security manager. So whenever they have this one, so he should have that license in this NSI training. So usually all the companies, they have the UAE national security manager, so he is going and enroll for this specific course and he is doing this one. But if somebody want to do it by his own, so his company should recommend him for this course. Thank you for watching this video. If you have the relevant questions, you can drop down in the comments. I will try to make another video upon your inquiries. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more knowledge about the security. Thank you.